So guys, are you exfoliating your skin properly or you're just wasting your body scrub? Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, you're highly welcome. You see, when people say exfoliate your skin if you want to get a brighter glowing skin. Now, the reason why some of you are not getting that brighter glowing skin when you exfoliate your skin is because you're not doing it correctly. So in this video, I'll be sharing an exfoliating routine that I've been using for the past 4 months and it's been nothing but a game changer. It has given me an instant bright glowing skin, a soft smooth skin and a supple skin. See, when I mean a bright glowing instant smooth skin, you will definitely get it if you exfoliate your skin this way that I'm about to tell you now. The first thing you need to make sure you do is exfoliate your skin with warm water. I repeat, use warm water to exfoliate your skin. See, if you're the kind of person that on a regular day you use cold water to take your bath, when you want to exfoliate your skin, please use warm water. Use warm water to exfoliate your skin. It's a game changer. Don't use cold water. Use warm water to exfoliate your skin. Now, if you're getting your warm water ready, the next thing you need to do is take a proper bath. I think I've said this in my previous video that it is very recommended that you take your bath first before you use your body scrub. So take your bath first and you'll be doing that with your sponge and your bath soap. Sponge and bath soap. Use these two things to take your bath first. Now, I know there are some people that don't like using sponge. Yes, there are some people that will never use sponge on their skin. If there is no logical reason that you're not using sponge on your skin, maybe there's no skin condition why you're not using sponge on your skin, please incorporate a good sponge into your skincare routine. It will definitely do you good. But if there's a skin condition why you don't like using sponge on your skin, you can actually just use your bath soap to do your first cleansing. Use your bath soap to take your bath first. Okay, taking your bath first before exfoliating your skin will give your scrub a better surface to focus on getting away dead skin cells on your skin. Because when you don't take your bath first, the scrub will now focus on getting rid of dead sweat and dust off your skin instead of getting rid of dead skin cells on your skin. So please take your bath first with your sponge and a bath soap. It can be any bath soap, whether it is a moisturizing bath soap or antibacterial bath soap. Just make sure you take your bath first. For those of you that don't like using sponge, you can just use a bath soap to take your bath first. Now, after you finish taking your bath, the next thing you need is your body scrub. Yes, you need your body scrub. Now, when it comes to body scrub, please use any body scrub of your choice. Any body scrub. Don't fall for that gimmick that this body scrub will give you a brighter glowing skin, or this body scrub will lighten your skin, or this body scrub will whiten your skin. I'm here to tell you the truth that there is no particular body scrub that will lighten, whiten, or brighten your skin. It's the process of you using the product. It's the process of you exfoliating your skin that gives you a brighter glowing skin, not the product. Okay, so when it comes to choosing a body scrub, don't choose it based on how it's going to brighten, lighten your skin. No, choose a body scrub based on how it suits your skin. I personally found out that salt scrub irritates my skin a lot. And when it comes to sugar scrub, it is 50-50. Sometimes it's okay and sometimes it irritates my skin. The only scrub that does not irritate my skin is a cream scrub. And for that, I've been sticking to this Dove scrub for over, I think 6 months now. I've been using this particular body polish, this Dove body polish. I've been using different types of Dove body polish. But what I'm trying to say here is, if you know you like salt scrub, choose salt scrub. If you know you like sugar scrub, choose sugar scrub. Don't choose it based on how it's going to lighten or brighten your skin, or choose it based on how suitable it is for your skin, as long as it does not irritate your skin. Now, when you choose your body scrub, this is where it is very important. Make sure you scrub your skin for 10 minutes. I repeat, make sure you scrub your skin for 10 minutes. See, before, I used to be among those people that after I wet my body, I will just go ahead and apply the body scrub. Then the next 3 minutes, I'll rinse it off. That is not scrubbing. See, you're not scrubbing your skin. You're just literally applying the body scrub and rinsing it off. No. If you want to focus on getting rid of dead skin cells off your skin in order to get that bright, glowing skin, my dear, scrub your skin for 10 minutes. If it means you setting a timer, set a timer and scrub your skin for 10 minutes. Now, what I normally do is that I like listening to music whenever I'm scrubbing my skin. So what I do is I allow like maybe 5 or 6 tracks to play before I will stop scrubbing my skin. In my own mind, okay, it should be up to like at least 10 minutes. Even if it's 3 minutes, it should be up to 10 minutes after 5 or 6 tracks. So what you need to do is make sure you scrub your skin for 10 minutes. If it's setting a timer, please do. Focus on that stubborn part of your skin, like your elbow, your knee, your feet, your knuckles. Focus on those areas properly to help you get rid of dead skin cells. So that way, that area will be very bright, glowing, and very smooth and soft. Please scrub your skin for 10 minutes. It's very important to scrub your skin for 10 minutes if you want to experience that bright, glowing skin. Now, when you're done scrubbing your skin for 10 minutes, the next thing you need to do is to do your second cleansing with this. This is a body scrubber, and you're going to be using it alongside a good moisturizing body wash. It can be any brand, but this is Dove moisturizing body wash. So you're going to be using these two to do your second cleansing. Now, the reason why I'm recommending you go for body scrubber it is because this one is very, very gentle on the skin compared to the sponge, compared to the net sponge I showed earlier. So if you're going to be doing your second cleansing, don't use the sponge, use a body scrubber to do your second cleansing. It is very important to use a body scrubber alongside a good moisturizing body wash to to introduce moisture back into your skin. But if you're the kind of person that you don't like using sponge and body scrubber, just use your moisturizing body wash to do your second cleansing. It is fine, but trust me, it is very important when you add this into the routine. Now, when you're done with doing your second cleansing, dry up your skin with your towel and follow up with your body moisturizer. Apply your body moisturizer all over your skin and seal it in with a good body oil. Yes, lock in that moisture with this body oil. Use your moisturizer, then use your body oil. Now, a friend of mine was arguing with me 2 days ago, telling me that it's supposed to be a body oil before moisturizer. And I'm here to tell you, if you're doing that, please stop. Please stop. Your moisturizer should go first before your body oil. This is a water-based product. Apply this first, then seal it in with oil. Because when you put this on first and apply your moisturizer, the moisturizer is not going to penetrate into your skin. It's just going to sit on top of your skin, because this is what is going to seal in that moisture if you use your moisturizer first. Okay, so apply your moisturizer and seal it in with body oil. Guys, trust me, when you do this exfoliating routine 2 times a week, I mean, do it 2 times a week, you're definitely going to see changes on your skin. I'm not capping. Like, you will see the change on your skin. It will give you an instant bright, smooth, soft, glowing skin. So learn how to exfoliate your skin properly if you want to get the benefits of your body scrub. So guys, that is all for today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. And thank you guys so much for your time, and bye.